Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. So the question says a force F1 is equal to AJ cap is applied to a point whose radius vector R1 is equal to alpha I cap, while force F2 is equal to BI cap is applied to a point whose radius vector R2 is BJ cap. Both radius vectors are determined relative to the origin of coordinate O. I and j are unit vectors of x and y axis. A, B and capital B are constants. Find the arm L of the resultant force relative to the point O. So let us first make a diagram to understand the question. Let us fix a coordinate axis. Let this is y axis and this is x axis. So this is denoted by I cap and this is denoted by j cap as denoted in question. So we have two forces. First force F1 is applied at radius vector AI cap. So F1 is being applied here at this point R1, whose coordinates are a comma 0 because it is given as AI cap, and the force is being applied is AJ cap, so it is going upward. So this is given as F1. Now there is a point R2 with BJ cap. Let it be here R2 with 0 comma B because it is given as BJ cap and it is going in I direction. This is given to us as F2. We have to find a force, the resultant force. Let it be in this direction. This is the resultant force and its distance from this, its position be R vector here. So let us we have to find the arm L. What is arm? It is, if we extend this line, it is the perpendicular from origin to the extended line here. This is the arm L. Let this point be P and this point be O. So we have to find OP, okay, which is equal to L. And what we know that if we extend the radius vector here in this direction, we get a angle theta, which is the angle between force and radius vector. So let us revise the key concept behind this question first. So what is the key concept behind this question? So they are basic concepts of torque, forces and vectors. Okay, so we all know basic concepts. Keeping basic concepts in our mind, we proceed further to our solution. So let us first say that f vector is given by f1 vector plus f2 vector. So we can write mod of f vector will be equal to mod of f1 vector plus f2 vector, which will be equal to square root of capital A square plus capital B square. Okay, so let us mark it as equation 1 because we will need it in our future. Now let us write the equation for torque. Let us denote it by torque. So torque is given by we have F1 is trying to move this force in counterclockwise direction, while F2 is trying to move it in clockwise direction. So taking counterclockwise to be positive, we have tau is equal to F1 into A small a minus F2 into small b, okay, which will be equal to AA minus BB. Now let us write tau vector. It will be equal to AA minus BB K cap, because it is perpendicular to both of the forces. And now we can also write the mod of tau vector. Now we have the formula tau vector is equal to R cross F. Okay, we can write it mod R, we can write mod tau naught is equal to mod R into mod F times sine theta. Now from this triangle, the triangle I am marking right now, POQ, let's suppose, we can say that this is angle theta and arm length L will come out to be equal to R sine theta. Okay, so substituting R sine theta here, we have mod of tau vector is equal to mod of F vector times L. So we can find the value of L is equal to mod of tau, which is nothing but A minus B over mod of F, which is nothing but root of A square plus B square. Hence this is the arm length which we have been asked in the question. This is our final answer. I hope you understood it well. Thank you.